Okay, once we receive the unit, add distilled or purified water to the unit. This red plug, this spot is the water inlet. We take this plug out. This is a dust cap. After removing it, insert the funnel into this spot. Then open the overflow port. With the overflow open, add distilled or water. When water flows from this opening, the water is full. We can stop. Then screw on the cap. Tighten it. Then remove this tube. Put the dust cap back on. Filling complete. Okay, now, let's assemble the accessory rack. There are 4 posts, 2 plastic parts. First, screw the long post into this hole. Not this hole, it's this hole. Tighten it. Do the one on this side too. After that. Next, these 2 holes. Screw in the short posts. Okay, after the 4 posts are in, take out the screws on the short posts. Remove them. After removing, attach short posts to these holes. Note the opening. Opening to opening. Then, we will fasten the screws. We'll tighten these screws. Rack assembly complete. Now, let's install the control screen. When installing the control screen, first check if the cable here is tight. Once it's tight, insert the robotic arm onto the post. Then route the cable through. Plug the cable into this port. Notch to notch. Then tighten it. Now install the rack. Before installing the rack, first remove these 2 screws. Gently secure one, then secure the second. Accessory secured. Then, next, install the accessory on the other side. Attach accessories to both sides. Insert the cryo handle attachments. With the opening facing out, press down firmly, shake and push in. This. Fully seated. That's it. Install cryo handle. Remove film. First, wheel. Pull out the red plug. This is a protective plug. Pull it out, start installing. This cryo handle, pick any one to start installing. The cryo head goes into the matching spot, twist lock to secure. Install the other cryo handles. Align the twist lock. And tighten. Put another one here. Align and twist lock to secure. Place the 4th unit, using the same method, twist lock to secure. Okay, after installing, hook this cord onto the cord hook to prevent dragging. Hook the cord on the other side onto the hook as well. This prevents dragging. The chin handle goes in the center, then hook the cord onto the hook. Okay, now, install the laser plate bracket. First, remove these 3 screws. The fixing points, long notch here, short notch down. Let's fix one first. Then fix the middle one. Mount the first one. This bracket, then wheel. The other side is done the same way. Install the laser plate. Load the 40K 1x1. The 40K handle is a 30. Place it. Put it here. Align it. Align the part. Okay, the facial RF goes in this spot. Align vertically. Now, install the laser plate. We'll place this component. It can be placed anywhere. Power. Plug it into the laser board's port. Plug it in anywhere. After placing it, secure the nuts tightly. Tighten them all. Just use the same method. To repeat, connect the wires to this row of ports. Plug them in freely. After plugging in, tighten this nut. Done. It's installed.